Hey guys, so today I have finally got March's Fright crate box to show you. Now this has arrived a lot later than usual, but with everything going on at the minute I guess that's just kind of what's happening now. A lot of my boxes seem to be arriving later, but that's fine. So for anyone who hasn't watched me open this before, there is two different prices of the boxes they do. There is a $20 box and a $30 box. I always get the $30 box because it usually has the bigger resin item in it, and this is an American box and the postage is very expensive, but I don't get import taxed. So generally to the UK this works out about £44 altogether with postage and everything, but if you're in America obviously it's $20, $30, whichever box you choose. So let's just open it and see what's inside. So I've got to admit, I have looked at this already, obviously, because I have no patience and I buy these with my own money because I want them. So when I get them, I'm excited to see what's in it. And this one, I think, might be one of my least favourite boxes that I've had. Not necessarily because it's a bad box, just because I'm not really sure why I bought it. The themes in it aren't really my kind of thing. I do that sometimes, just buy random ones. But yeah, that's fine. We're just going to show you what's in it anyway. So, get a little card that tells you what's in it, but we're not going to read off that. I'm just going to show you what is in here. So the first thing we have is a pin. Now there is no t-shirt in this box, which is very weird. Usually, I mean, there's hardly been any months that I've not got a t-shirt. I think maybe 1 or 2 months the whole time I've had these boxes that I've not had a t-shirt, but there isn't one in this, so that's fair enough. So the first item is a pin, and it says it will freeze your blood. So this is a pin from the Prowler. I'll take it out of here because it's not showing up very well. The Prowler is not a film that I personally have ever seen. The pin is huge, like very, and like it's a nice pin. It's got 2 on the back so that it doesn't spin around. I just haven't seen the film, so not my kind of thing, but that is our first item anyway. Then next we have this, which kind of made me laugh. It's a little, I don't know, it's kind of cringy, but maybe cool. I've not listened to it, so we'll see. And this is Elvira's Heavy Metal Halloween CD. It says screaming guitar renditions of Frankenstein, Phantom of the Opera, The Exorcist, and many more. So, like I said, looking at it, a little cringy, but who knows, it might be amazing. I listen to CDs in my car sometimes if like my internet goes, so Apple Music stops working or whatever. So I don't know, we'll try it out and see what that's like at some point, I guess. Then we have a DVD, which is John Carpenter, Fear is Just the Beginning, The Man and His Movies. So this says includes interviews with John Carpenter, Jamie Lee Curtis, Kurt Russell, Alice Cooper, Deborah Hill, literally a big long list. It basically looks kind of like interviews, maybe a documentary sort of thing on John Carpenter, which, I mean, it could be good. I'll have to have a see. Not the worst thing ever. To say when this was made, doesn't really say much about it. It says it's an hour long, so I mean, maybe when I'm bored from time I'll give it a watch. We'll see how that is. Then next we have one which is kind of like a double item. It's for the same film. So we have this print by Max Cave. So it's signed down here at the bottom, says 2020 on it. And it's from the film Silver Bullet. Again, not a film I have ever personally seen. I'll take it out of this because it's reflecting and it looks rubbish. Oh, it's still reflecting. So this is our print. And also with the Silver Bullet theme, there was this, which is an eye patch. Very, very random. It just says silver bullet on one side and then it's plain on the other side. I guess if you're a big horror collector, stuff like this is quite cool. To me, it's just very random. Like, I have no use for an eye patch whatsoever. But like I said, it's a collector box, so it's just one of them things. Sometimes they're amazing and sometimes you get very random things, so that is one of those for me. Next we have a resin item. There is 2 resin things in this box, which is why I'm assuming there is no t-shirt maybe. So the first one we have is this Halloween 3 magnet. Now, I don't know if this is a popular opinion or an unpopular opinion, but personally I kind of hate Halloween 3. It isn't Halloween to me. Halloween to me is Michael Myers and he's not in that film. I watched it the other day and I just don't really get it personally. But it is a cool, like, witchy mask magnet anyway. These are like all handmade by them. They're Serial Resin Co. company, so that's pretty cool. And then the last item we have is our like bigger resin item, which is still quite small this month actually, but it's bigger than the magnet anyway. And that is this guy, which again, weird. It's from The Collector. Now, I have seen the film The Collector, which I think is one of the reasons I got this box, because of the, well, because of the Elvira item and because of the Collector item. It sort of looks like him, but it also sort of just looks a bit like, I can't really say the word without getting demonetized, but I think we all maybe know what I'm thinking. He just looks a little dodgy, you know? So yeah, that was our resin item for this month. And that was everything that was in March's Fright Crate for this month. So like I said, kind of a weird box for me. Not really sure why I got it. It's my own fault, I guess, because Silver Bullet and the Prowler, stuff like that, I have no idea what they are. So yeah, anyway, so I will show you everything all together. So there was the Silver Bullet Max Cave print, which came with the Silver Bullet eye patch, which I will put up here. There was the John Carpenter DVD. There was the Elvira Heavy Metal Halloween CD. The Prowler pin. The Halloween 3 Witch Mask magnet. And the Collector resin bust. So all of these things were in the $30 Fright Crate box for March. So yeah, I'll put that info down below in case any of you want to go and check them out. They are already sold out for May's box, but they come on sale the 1st of every month. So on the 1st of next month, then all of their stock will be renewed for you to go and order. I feel like the next couple of boxes might be really good. I've got a good feeling about the, not the one that's coming next, but the one after that, the May one. I feel like the May one is going to be really good because it's got Universal monsters in it and stuff, and just have a good feeling about that one. So I can't remember the themes for the next one, to be quite honest, but I do have the next 2 ordered, so they will be next month and the month after that. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Anyway, if you did, please subscribe. Like I said, I'll put all the info for them down below. And yeah, I hope you're all doing really well, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.